Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Paul's playing pony is a perky, playful prancher. These two lines I have tried to practice. These are known as tongue twisters. And if you like to shift your accent from one to another, there is only way is practicing tongue twisters. Today our sound is an aspirated sound, and that one is pop, what we usually pronounce as pop. Let's check out the differences between pop and pop. Here is a paper for you. I'm going to pronounce an aspirated sound and a non-aspirated sound together. Pack, back, paper, pepper. I hope the second one, which I have pronounced was non-aspirated, is familiar with you. These sounds we usually pronounce while we try to pronounce this alphabet, isn't it? Yes. Basically, this is a bilabial sound. While we use both of our lips to pronounce a sound, that one is called as bilabial. Where I have got this bilabial? From here. I hope you can remember articulators above the larynx. Right. This is a voiceless sound as well. There are so many terms, but don't care about the terms. Just try to practice the sound with aspiration. Pop, not pop. Pack, paper, power, produce, pin, pen, and there are so many sounds by using these. If you could consider this sound properly, your speech will be like a native, but be careful, do not pressurize too much. If you pressurize too much, then spit will come out from your mouth, and that's not aspiration. There is a puff of air which will come out from your mouth, not too much. Be careful. Thank you.